video, we're going to download the Save to Google Drive extension and learn how to use it in Chrome to save documents directly to our Google Drive without having to download them to our computer first. So the first thing we want to do is go to the Chrome Web Store and to the Extensions tab. And then up here in the Search the Store box, we're going to type in Save to Google Drive. It's going to be the first one that pops up here, so we're going to click that. And then at the top right, we're going to click this big blue Add to Chrome button. It's going to give us this pop-up, and we're going to click Add Extension. And so now, at the top right, you can see it says Save to Google Drive has been added to Chrome. In order to use the Save to Google Drive extension, you are going to navigate to whatever document it is that you want to save in your Google Drive in Chrome, and then you're going to find the print button. Okay, so it could be that your print button is just up at the top of the screen underneath the File tab, and you're going to click Print there. Or it could be located somewhere else. It just depends on what tool or website you're on. So, for example, if you're a student and you want to save a Schoology annotations assignment, you would actually open up your draft or your submission if you've already submitted it, and you would find the hamburger menu at the top left and click that to print. So wherever you are, whatever tool, whatever website, you just need to find the print button. Okay, so then we're going to click print, and you're always going to get some print settings that you get to choose from. So you would choose whatever print settings you wanted, and then you're going to click the print button, and it's going to open up the Chrome print screen. So to find Save to Google Drive, you're going to go up to the top right beside of Destination, and you're going to click whatever the last printer was that you used, and you're going to go down here where it says See More. It's going to give you a list of every printer that you will be able to print to, and if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to see Save to Google Drive now. Once you click that, it is now saved to your Google Drive. But keep in mind, it's just loose in your main drive. And so you're going to need to go in there and rename and or move it to the correct folder. Another thing you can do with the Save to Google Drive extension that might be helpful is you can save images or websites directly to your Google Drive as well. So let's say you're on this website and you want to save just this image. You can right click on it and then go down and hover over Save to Google Drive and choose Save Image to Google Drive. And once you click that, that image is now saved in your Google Drive. If you want to save the entire website, you can go up to the little Google Drive icon in your extensions list. If you don't see it there, then click on the puzzle piece and go down to Save to Google Drive and click this little pin button. That will put it at the top so you'll always see it. So let's say we want to save this website. So we're going to click our Google Drive button. And then at the top left, you're going to see that it says it's downloading. And you can see it actually scrolling through the website and downloading it. And now it says at the top left, the discovery of the double helix was saved to my drive. And I also have the option here that I can rename this file in my Google Drive. So if I click that, I can actually type a new name and click Apply. And I can actually click this link here and it will take me directly to it in my Google Drive. So you can see how it's actually saved that website for me as an image that I can move around and read that website. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more digital learning tips.